Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to begin with, the Australian dollar took a nosedive and challenged the level of 77.70, but after failing to achieve a 77.45 offer, the market reversed and now it's challenging the 78 region. I believe the market, from the bullish divergence that's coming through here, we have seen a low, and from the rejection around that 77.45 to 70 area, also being a 60-day moving average, has staged a further rally and now looks towards 78.25 to 80 this week. So I'm not bearish for the Australian dollar, and I feel the market is in a slight correction. The euro took a step to the downside, but still maintaining above 121.80.90. Overall, I do expect to see a little bit more weakness to come into the euro, but a little bit more on your guard when it comes to getting underneath 121.80, because we might see a reversal, because I feel the US dollar is failing. Therefore, we could see a slight impulse back up to the highs that we saw last week around 122.90. Well, the dollar yen took a step to the downside and rejected the level of 108.15. Now I do expect to see further coverage to the upside this week and look towards 109.45.60 and reassess from there. Any dips, still a buy in my strategy that I'm viewing as the market overall could eventually get to 110. Well, the pound took further weakness on Friday and still expects to see a target of 136.20 this week. Overall, I do expect to see any upside attempt to foul. Well, gold is weaker and is posing a further threat to the downside as the market starts this morning on a softer note. I do expect to see, though, towards about bullish foundations of 1,297 to the figure to stage a recovery. And we're not too far away from being oversold. So do buy on dips. My strategy is from a rebound from there and look back up towards 1,330. The silver outlook also coming into play at the $16 2025, although it's just holding. A break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target anywhere from 1560 to 1580. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a hole underneath that level of 1620. So do be on your guard if you're trading from the long side. From the short side, though, I will be taking back my position, purely for the fact is that we are getting a little bit oversold. So it's very hard to try and pick where the base will be, and we could see a sharp snap to the upside very soon. And to round off with oil, well, the market fell nearly 10% last week, and on Friday fell 3.4%. And from the weakness, could see further downside tests this week. But I am getting a little bit cautious to the fact we are oversold. So we could towards 57.5 as a short-term base and see a short recovery. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the new start to the week.